This is the poster that I got printed, and I got this poster into this great compartment. And how I did, I gonna let you know on this video that how I designed. You can design it yourself, and after that you can get printed this big poster. You don't have to go anywhere, because if you go a big city you have to expense your money on travel, and after that you have to got the print, and many times it's not that good, and you have to go to take that print out. But I like this company's working, that they take order online and send to you. That company is this one, and I gonna let you know that how you can get vistaprint.com. And keep in mind, I am not sponsoring this. I'm not sponsored by them. I just ordered a my work, and I loved this, so I am going to sharing this tutorial video with you. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Let's go to the computer and let you know that how we can do this. Keep in mind that I did a thing, that I designed this poster myself, and after that what I did, I gone to that website and search for printout poster, and after that I have to choose the size, and after that it's glossy, it's not a glossy sheet, so I don't want to get any reflection from the light sources and anywhere. Little bit of reflections are there, if you can check it out, but I wanted to get a matte finish product, and that is matte finish, that is not glossy. You can take out your birthday print, your family print, you can do anything you want to do. By this option you can choose the paper size, and after that upload that photo you want to get printed, and after that you can edit if you want to add more anything else. And after adding your address and paying the bills, after doing the payment, you will get your print in this big box that you can check out. This is the big box, and this big box save your project, so it's good. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you understood that how you can get these type of things get online.